And we have some more breaking inputs coming in hours after he was summoned by the ED. Sena MLA Pratap Sarnaik has now sought more time before he appears for questioning. Remember, it was yesterday when the ED had conducted multiple raids at his office premises as well as residence. His son was also questioned in the money laundering case. And now, but before that, there is some more breaking inputs coming in as far as the Bihar Assembly election is concerned. Vijay Sinha has now been elected as the Assembly Speaker. And this is the latest update, breaking updates coming in. The BJP's Vijay Sinha has now been elected as the Assembly Speaker. And that was on currently, and related to this as well, we have been breaking the audio tape of Lalu Prasad Yadav as well, who was trying to coerce opposition MLAs into not abstaining from vote. But the latest breaking updates coming in is that Vijay Sinha has now been elected as the Assembly Speaker in the Bihar Assembly polls. This is the latest breaking update that we are picking up at this hour. And we have been showing you the sensational Lalu Prasad Yadav tape as well, where Tejasvi Yadav has been the latest one who has spoken out on it, diverting from the tapes and accusing the BJP of irregularities within the assembly. He's in complete denial on the Lalu fixing tape as well. And the latest update coming in is that Vijay Sinha has now been elected as the Assembly Speaker in the Bihar Assembly, and he has been elected as the new Speaker of the Assembly as well. And this is hours after, in fact, we have been showing you the sensational Lalu Prasad Yadav tape as well, where he is being openly seen, his alleged voice on the tape, where he has gone on allegedly heard speaking to a BJP MLA and in a way trying to conspire and ask him to refrain from voting in the Speaker's election that were held today. And the latest breaking update that we are picking up is that Vijay Sinha has now been elected as the Assembly Speaker within the Bihar Assembly. All right, so it seems like Lalu's attempts have failed and the BJP has won the Speaker election.